I'm going to show you how to create cost element groups in SAP S/4HANA. My name is Dias and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for a project, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a glance. And the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 20,000 views and less than 500 subscribers. Can you please help us to balance this scale by subscribing to this channel? Here in this channel, we deliver very high quality content, and I use my free time to share SAP knowledge for free. So I think it's fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge. How can you do that? It's very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, share it within your network, and it is done. Let's reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. In SAP S/4HANA system, we create the cost element group to define the row structures of our reports. Totals are calculated in the report for each node. We can also use cost element groups when we want to process multiple cost elements in a single transaction. For example, when we do a cost center planning, distribution, or allocations. And now without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know yet how to work with the SAP LAUNCHPAD, you can find the link in the description of this one to know how to do it. If you struggle to find Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, you can also find the link in this video to know how to do it. So basically today we are going to use this style that is called create cost element group. If you see here, there is a KAH1, which means this is a Fiori app that is an emulation of this transaction code. We are not going to use here the SAP because I prefer to use the Fiori app. So basically I'm going to create here, start by creating this. And then here we have to put what is my cost element group, giving a name. Let's give a name. So we are going to type for all underscore 001 and then we're going to click enter. So now we are going to give a name. So other cost YouTube is already there because I did some tests already. And then we are going to do something. I'm going to create nodes for cost accounts, cost element accounts, and then for profit element accounts. So we have everything in one go. So now this is the top, so I'm going to click here in lower level. When I click in lower level, I need to give another name. So this one I'm going to call 10 underscore all plus YouTube. And then we are going to create something for the profit of YouTube. So same level, I'm going to call it 20 underscore all. And then here, revenues YouTube. So far so good. I hope you are enjoying this video as me doing for you. Please start with making a like to us. So now I want to create another node. So I'm going for clicking lower level, okay? So here lower level, I'm going to put the node. So I'm going to type 100 underscore all, and I'm going to call network. Here I'm going to put the same level, 200 underscore all office. Okay, so far so good. Now we are going to insert the cost elements inside of this one. So we are going to click here in cost element 005, going to press enter. So now we have the information here. By chance, if you don't have more space, you can click here in cost elements and then it will create more lines. Now I'm going to make here a cut on the video to fill in the rest so the video will not be so long. So now if you see it, I have already a plus, which means that when I open this, I have my cost elements for these nodes and I have my cost elements for this node. So far so good. Now we are going to insert some nodes in the revenues. Lower level. So now it's fine. I didn't notice that I had 200 there. And then I'm going to create another lower level. I made a mistake, so I'm selecting and I'm removing this. Yes, I want to remove. I want actually the same level. Oh, and then we can give description. It's not true, but we need to get it on. So I'm going to keep on saving, so we will not lose our data. So now I'm going to create the cost element inside of this one. It's going to be a profit P&L account for 109, and then for 1091. Press enter. Life is good. Create the other ones. Okay, this one is also done. I'm going to save. So now we have created from the top other costs of YouTube, and then inside costs YouTube and revenues. This is going to give me the option to use this node when I want to post into these two cost elements, or I can use this node to post into these two cost elements, or I can use these nodes to post into these cost elements. The same thing here, the structure that we have here for the profit. But if we use here, if I post here, I will get all of this information at the same time. So far, so good. I'm going to save. And before you leave, I want to show you something else. Don't get away from the video. So now what I want to show you, I want to display this. I want to show you how to display this. So when we open this, there is this option here that I can see all nodes, ended nodes, not ended nodes. For us, top nodes only. What does it mean? When I click here, I know that whatever is here is the top node, which means that below you can have other nodes. For sure, you have other nodes and you have everything. So you have the full structure if you choose this option. Our structure is this one, cost of YouTube. I'm going to click here. I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to click enter. So here we have the information that we have just created. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make some comments. In the next video of the channel, we are going to see in a report way how we can display this. Now you know how to create cost element groups in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.